This is how to make a scatter chart in Excel. In our example, we have January and February sales and then April and May. Let's highlight all of our data here and go to Insert Chart. We're going to click on the title and delete it and click on the legend and delete it. Then right click on Select Data. Then we need to uncheck April, May, hit OK, and you want the chart to look like this. Then again, let's right click and go to Format Axis, and we're going to choose Categories in reverse order. And so now those are reversed. Then let's change our minimum, and then we need to change our maximum. Those are based on our values, and then the major, same thing, based on our values. Now you've got your axis across the top ranging from 6.5 up to 8. So let's change the colors here so that blanks out those other bars, and then go back again, right click and select data. And we need to add. In this top section here, we're going to say J to F, January to February, and then for the bottom, we're going to select the rank. Let's hit OK. And then let's do that again, and this time it's going to be the April, May, and then again select the rank in the second portion, and then hit OK. Next, let's click on this yellowish orange on the right side, and then right click and change the chart type. You need to go through here and make sure that these are labeled as scatter for the months. So J to F and A to M need to be scatter. So once again, we're going to click on these gray bars and right click on Select Data. Let's edit the J to F. And in this middle portion here, we're selecting the January/February values. And then let's hit OK. And then do the same thing for the A to M. Select the values under April/May and hit OK. And now you can see your dots are in place. So we're going to right click over here on this particular axis and hit Format. And we need to make a couple tweaks here. Our maximum is going to be 10. And then we're going to click on it and delete it. So let's click on these gray bars again and Format. We're going to change the gap width. We want those to be thin like a line, so we're going all the way to the right. Then right click and format this axis, and the axis position should be on tick marks. And now you're starting to see this take shape. Right click and format data series, go to the fill, the border solid line, and you can change the color here, change the thickness. And then I'm going to right click and format data series on the dots, and we can change this marker. You can change it under marker options, under built-in to these different shapes here, but we'll go with the circle, and let's make it a little bit thicker. Let's go with a size 9. And then for the blue dots, we need to right click and format data series again. Click on marker, marker options, and we're going to do the built-in again. And again, you could pick your shape. I recommend doing a circle so that these are similar and make them 9 just like the other ones were. So now if we go back up to the top here under chart design and add a chart element, we can go down here to grid lines and make that selection. And now this is making it easier to see. Let's change this fill color from blue to an orange. And you can change the outline to no outline, or you could change it to black or something if you really want it to stand out. Same thing, if you click here, you can change the fill color here to maybe a more orange color. Whatever makes sense. If you have branding colors or something that you'd like to go with, you could do that. And then if I go back up here to the top under illustrations and shapes, we can draw in our shape here to create a legend. So I'm going to change this to match the proper color and then move that in place and note which month.